Okay, I was gonna go for a walk. I don't think that's gonna happen. Ooh. Shit. Too cold. Yeah, it's not gonna happen. Oh, I came home from work and here you go. Here's that snowstorm in Ontario. I was gonna go for a walk, but forget it. It's too cold. Shit. Oh my. Damn it. Fuck, it's cold. Yeah, I'm going inside. Oh, shit. Whew. This is my backyard. I don't know if it doesn't give it justice. Yeah, okay. What are you doing? You don't want to go outside? You want to go see outside? You want to go see? Come on. Come on. You want to go see? You want to go see outside? Come on. Yeah, you're smart. You see all the snow on me. All right. That's all, guys. Have a good night. I don't know how to end it. Oh.